Hello everyone, this is me, Imani Deshubali, your host, and today I have a very special topic about today's my TEDx talk. Today's topic, TEDx topic. Starting today's topic with full of motivation and full of energy. My today topic's name is uh, Amil Korbal, Educated Minds, the Real Frustrator. In the powerful and eye opening TEDx talk, former Tunisian government in Minister Emil Korbal delivers a message that challenge how we view development. She began by asking a simple but deep question: what is the most important in what is the most important infrastructure a country can build? Many people think of road, bridge, and buildings, but Emil argued that the real foundation of progress lies in educated minds. So main idea is that Kerbal highlights that government around the world often invest heavily is visible infrastructure, highway, airports, and power plants because they are then tangible and politically rewarding. But what we ignore in the invisible infrastructure, the education of our children. She impressive that if we truly want a brighter, stronger future, we must invest in mind before machine. Her goal is bold yet clear to ensure child in child in the school and learning within one generation. About today's topic, key point is that Amal compare a nation's brain power to its roads and bridge, saying that without educated citizen, no infrastructure can sustain progress. She criticization how budget often favor construction project over classroom. She call for rebalancing investment toward quality education system, train better teachers, especially in underprivileged areas, use data to track learning outcome, not just school enrollment, encourage innovation and creativity in classroom, not rote memorization. Amal, Amal mentioned how developing countries can leap forward by learning from both success and failure of others. She believes global cooperation is the key to universal education. The talk stand out because it cannot education to nation is trained in a fresh, inspiring way. When we think of instructor, we imagine cement and steel, but Emil make us realize that the stronger nation are built on the mind their pupil and the personal this dog stand of because connect uh, he calm confident deliver and personal experience as a minister make her message ever more credible and emotional. Amal Kerbal TEDx talk is not just about education. it's about rethinking progress. She ends with hope that within one generation, every child can be in school, learning, and ready to build the future. So invest in mind because they built every else. So I hope you guys understand today's topic and today's message for my TEDx. So see you next time with new topic with new information. So take care and Allah Hafiz.